Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, and everything in the crypto space. It's like 5 hours to the Wakanda Inu bomb party. Officially, I've confirmed the time. The time is going to be 12 midnight. So after the midnight, by the hours after the midnight, I'm sure that the token might increase and stuff like that. So if you want to sell some part of your Wakanda that is if the price goes up, I'll be showing you exactly what you do. Let's assume you bought your Wakanda on your Trust wallet. This is the step you take to sell your Wakanda The first thing, you must have some quantity of some amount of money in your smart chain. You need to send some BNB to your smart chain, and there's a way you go about that. If you send some BNB to your smart chain, this is what you can use to pay your gas fee. That is why it's very important. The next thing is that you must have your Wakanda If you have your Wakanda I will now show you guys how you can sell your Wakanda Now, once you have some BNB in your smart chain and you have your Wakanda you go to your apps. If you go to the apps, this is the app down below. After wallet, you have the apps. When you click on the apps, you're going to scroll down and go to popular. Under popular, you're going to see PancakeSwap. You click on PancakeSwap. You allow it to load. When you allow it to load, alright guys, so now you're on pancakeswap.finance. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to select the smart chain. If you bought your Wakanda in Ethereum, you click, that is ERC20. You are going to click Ethereum. If it's Binance Smart Chain, you click on Smart Chain. I'm sure a lot of you that have bought with the Binance Smart Chain, when you click on Binance, it's going to show as you see the Binance Smart Chain logo on this top, right? The next thing is that you're going to see connect wallet. If your wallet is not connected, you see something like connect wallet. That connect wallet, you click on it, right? If you click on it, you will get something like this. If it is connected, you're going to see a wallet connected, but if it's not connected, you're going to see connect wallet. Then after that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to where you can swap the token. Now, normally if you want to buy, BNB will be on top, then cake will be below, right? So if you want to sell, first you change this cake, right, to WKD. You change it WKD. That's Wakanda Inu, right? You change it to WKD. Once you search, it's going to bring it out. This is it. You click on it. You click on the Wakanda Inu. This is the Wakanda Inu, the one I want to use for this particular tutorial. When you click on the WKD, right, the next thing, make sure you are on exchange. It didn't change now. There you will see I changed it just now. You click on it again. Let's change it again from cake to WD. I don't know why this thing is not changing. BNB. Okay, BNB is down. On top, you need WKD on top, so you're going to change this to WKD, the little rabbit, to WKD. That's Wakanda Inu. Good. So Wakanda Inu is on top, BNB is down. If you want to swap the position, initially when we started, BNB was up, Wakanda Inu was down. If you want to know how I switch it and Wakanda Inu came on top, is this arrow, this particular arrow. So Wakanda Inu is the one you are swapping to BNB. So what you are going to do is you are now going to click on you put in the quantity of Wakanda Inu you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell everything, you click on mass. But I advise you not to sell everything. Depending on the quantity you are holding, that will determine the amount you want to sell. But let's say I click on mass, I want to sell half, because I cannot start calculating the quantity of Wakanda Inu I want to sell. Or you can come to your BNB and adjust the BNB and choose the quantity of BNB you want to sell. That will show in the Wakanda Inu. But let's say I want to sell half, I will just change this first 18. This 18, I'm going to change it to 9. That's all. Right. This is 18 above. I'll change it. Oh God. Well, this is not what I want to do. I've deleted 2 numbers I didn't want to delete. But then it is 59, so I'll just write 959. Right. After clicking it, the quantity I want to sell is going to show on my BNB, then you see something like enable Wakanda Inu, then swap. You see the slippage tolerance is 12. I'm sure the 12 should be able to sell it successfully. So you click on enable Wakanda Inu. Once you click on enable Wakanda Inu, you see confirm transaction. Once you click on forward, they will tell you the amount they want to charge for this particular transaction. For this one, they are going to transfer, they will charge me 57 naira. So if I actually want to say, I'll click on approve. After you click on approve, you just continue to click and follow any instruction you get until you see that it has been confirmed and you swap. It's not difficult. If you follow this step by step, you will not have a problem. Like I said, from your Trust Wallet, you go to down, you see the app. Let me just show you the step one more time, right? Because there were a little stuff, right? From your Trust Wallet, you make sure you have some little money in your smart chain. That's what you used to pay network fee. You click on the app. From the app, you search for PancakeSwap. Once you click on PancakeSwap, you select the token. If BNB is on top, you switch BNB to below. Wakanda Inu should come up. Then you select the quantity of Wakanda Inu you want to sell and you confirm. That is all. If it is ERC network, you change it to ERC network. I don't know. I don't want this to be too long, but I'm just going to do it one more time again. So you click on PancakeSwap, right? And you make sure that you select whatever you want to swap it. If it is ERC network, you come here, you click here, you change to ERC network. The same step. Once you change to ERC network and it has loaded, you need to connect your Trust Wallet, right? Once you connect your Trust Wallet, then this icon will change to ERC network. You connect your wallet. When you connect your wallet, you select Wakanda Inu and you swap it WKD, right? And if you are using ERC network, you must have some Ethereum, because Ethereum will collect gas fee and it's always expensive. So you click on the Wakanda Inu. Once the Wakanda Inu has been selected, this is taking a little bit of time. Okay, I don't have Wakanda Inu actually, but now what you see is 0.0 because there's no Wakanda Inu here. Then you click on this arrow in the middle. Once you click on that arrow, the two will swap. BNB will come down, Wakanda Inu will go up. You click on it until it swaps, right? Wakanda Inu is up, BNB is down. Then here you're going to see mass. You click on the mass like I did in the first video. Then you will see swap. You will not see connect wallet. You understand? Because you should have connected your wallet. If you connect your wallet, you will see swap or something like exchange. You swap it, it will show you the network fee they will charge, and just continue to click and you confirm your transaction. That is the end, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification. I hope you guys understand. I wish I could finish the video to the end, but this is the way you sell. That is it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.